morning, everyone. Today we have 15 yards to do. It's a cloud cover, a little light misty rain. It's supposed to clear up and then rain again this afternoon. And all of our lawns are within a 2-mile radius, so we should be able to get everything done fairly early today, and hopefully the rain will hold off to not interfere with our lawns. But we will see you at the next yard. Okay, we gotta change the oil in the new string trimmer. But also we gotta adjust where the strings are at, or how long the strings are. I have a personal preference of where I'd like, or how long I like the strings. And a separate bracket comes with the Makita, so you can move the I guess the guard on it. And so we're gonna move that out too. So let's get a measurement on how far the strings are out on my other trimmer, and we're gonna go and adjust it out for that. Okay, so these strings are, looks to be about 18 inches apart. These are about 15. So we gotta change it out 3 inches. That shouldn't be too bad. Okay, another thing that comes with the Makita is, I don't know if you can see this, is this bottle for putting oil in it. And it's supposed to take 60 milliliters in there, but there can always, for some reason, there's 10 milliliters that stay in it. So what's really nice about this, what's really nice about how this works, you just let's move this guard. Okay, that's not working out as how I planned it. It's not working out like I wanted. These holes in here are a little bit too small, so I don't have time to drill them out right now. I'll just try another time. But biggest thing is we got the oil changed on the new trimmer, and we're good for the rest of the week. Okay, this yard here is a fairly nice yard. The lady's in her 90s and always very happy that we're here to cut it for her, and she gives us cookies every now and then, or a cake or something. But as long as we keep her cut for her and keep the trees down, we try to keep the trees and everything all trimmed up for her. But all in all, she's a super nice lady and always nice to us. So let's give this a look. we are done with this yard. We are going through our yards pretty good today. Rained on us a little bit, but not too bad. This yard turns out pretty nice. When we started working on this yard, it was sparse, I guess would be the best way to put it. A lot of weeds, not much grass, but we've put a lot of weed and feed on it and stuff like that just to help bring it back, and it's doing really well. And what we did, we took it over for someone else that was cutting it every week, and we went to every other week, so it gets a little bit longer, and we cut a little bit higher, so the grass is doing a lot better. And we've had a bunch of rain this year, so everything's working out really well for this yard here, and the lady's really happy. So we will see you at the next yard. Okay, we are done for the evening. We are done for the day. It's 8 o'clock at night. We got 20 yards in today. We weren't planning on doing that many, but we picked some up that we were supposed to do for tomorrow, and we're going to do more tomorrow for Friday. We're trying to get done early Friday. Everything went well, no problems with anything. Everyone have a good evening, and we will see you at the next yard.